Today we are introducing you the concept of Nokia X200 Ultra. Nokia X200 Ultra 2021 is going to debut with excellent specs as 108 megapixel cameras and a 6000 mAh battery. Hello most beautiful people. Nowadays, the Nokia brand is the #1 mobile brand for their upload feature. So far, the Finnish brand hinted about the arrival of various new products with improvements in design as well as in hardware in 2021. Today, let's meet the new variant in the Nokia X series called Nokia X200 Ultra 2021. First, we will talk about the display. Nokia X200 Ultra screen size 6.7 inches. Resolution 2560 by 3690 pixels. Display type Super AMOLED. Aspect ratio 21:9. Protection Corning Gorilla Glass 6 IP69 certified up to 2 hours in water 2 MB. Rear camera resolution for 108 megapixel plus 8 megapixel plus 5 megapixel plus 2 megapixel sensor. Front camera single 20 megapixel lens for selfies. Flash yes, LED flash. Processor Qualcomm Snapdragon 780G Part B. RAM 8GB by 12GB. ROM 256GB by 512GB. Expandable memory 512GB. Operating system Android 12. Battery type Li-polymer. Capacity 6000 mAh battery. USB Type-C. Fast battery charging 33 watts. Nokia X200 Ultra expected release date December 2021. Nokia X200 Ultra expected price $390. So this is information about the Nokia X200 Ultra. Connected for more updates and please subscribe to our channel and also click the bell icon button. You will take care of yourself. We will meet you in the next video. Bye bye.